It's possible that this may be more of a smoothie bowl and less of an ice cream. Hi, I'm Maya Feller, registered dietitian nutritionist, and this is Cook With Us with Well+Good. Today, I'm going to make a coconut smoothie bowl. Now, my family's from the Caribbean, and we grew up doing coconut everything. Coconut, 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 and I absolutely love coconut, and so I'm gonna make a coconut smoothie bowl. You can have this smoothie bowl for breakfast, you could have it for lunch. I want you to be mindful of the portion size as you're making it because I'm using coconut cream and full fat coconut. So yes, it is a plant-based saturated fat, but I'm gonna pair it with walnuts and blueberries and coconut flakes and a little bit of chocolate chip, but just be mindful and make an intentional choice as you're serving yourself so that it fits into how you want to nourish your body. Let's get started with our smoothie bowl. First, I'm going to take my frozen coconut milk cubes and add them to the blender. And then I will add the coconut cream. The coconut cream has been chilled in the refrigerator. It's important that all the ingredients are on the rather cold or frozen side so that you have the consistency and texture that you want. I'm gonna give it a very quick blitz and then I'm gonna add in my flavor. Maple syrup and vanilla extract. One more blitz. When you're mixing, you want a little bit of a smooth yet creamy texture. You don't want it to be too liquidy and you don't want it to be too thick. Ooh, gorgeous. Incredible. Now I'm gonna add some blueberries, and I love blueberries because they're filled with phytonutrients, and we love all of that. A little bit of coconut flakes, unsweetened, no added sugar. I'm gonna add in some crushed walnuts, great source of plant-based protein and those good for you heart healthy fat, and a little bit of chocolate chip on the top because why not? Looking extra delicious. I can't wait to taste it. So delicious. The cold, creamy coconut smoothie with the crunchy walnuts and the coconut flakes and the tang of the blueberry and the sweetness of the chocolate chip. Oh, it is the right combination of sweet and savory. I mean, this is a sweet treat that you could have really any time of the day. Thanks for watching. You can find the recipe in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good.